Hey y'all, welcome back to the kitchen for another episode of What's Cooking with the Bear. Today, we're going to do a little observation of Lent. So we're going to do some pan-fried sahi. Sounds good to you? I know it sounds good to me. Y'all sit back, relax, and enjoy the video, and I'll get to cooking. Alright y'all, this is going to be a super simple recipe. We're just going to start out with getting our pan ready. I just got some butter in there. We're going to melt that butter down. I got our sahi here, and we're going to just basically coat it in some flour, seasoned flour. I'm using this seafood seasoning. You can use Old Bay. You can use lemon pepper. You can do whichever, whatever seasoning kicks your interest. So, just gonna dump some of that in my flour, mix it around. Oop. Try not to make a mess of the stove. But sometimes that happens. Get that all mixed up in there nicely. Alright. Grab something to wipe that stove off with, because, I don't want to make a big huge mess, which it's going to anyways. There it is. So let's get our butter all melted up here, and while we're waiting for that, I want to talk about this pan. I don't know if y'all notice, this is a new pan. This thing, it's from Wally Mart. It's a Mainstays. It's like 12 bucks. Ceramic coated, the best non-stick fry pan that I've gotten in a long time. And I've had Pampered Chef, Tefal, all different kinds of different frying pans and stuff. And by far, this thing is the most non-stick I've ever had. Matter of fact, I used it this morning to cook some eggs, and I put one little piece of butter down in there, and the eggs never stuck. I've done other things in it, had cheese run out of something, and never burn on it. I mean, the cheese got dark, but it never stuck to it. So yeah, for 12 bucks, yeah, this is a 12-inch. They make a smaller one, which I'll probably end up getting. I think it's a 10-inch maybe, but I am thoroughly impressed with this thing. Like I said, it's the ceramic coated one. So alright, we got our butter almost all melted down. Alright, we're going to let that get a little bit warmer, and we're going to prep our first piece of fish here, and we're just basically I'm just going to dredge it in the flour here good. Get all down in them little nooks and crannies and cracks and crevices. Get the ends all done up there. I'm going to grab me another plate so I can prep the rest of them. I'm only going to do 4 pieces because it's just me tonight. So, well, it's just me any other night, but yeah. So, alright. Grab us another piece here. I can smell that butter getting warm. Now, you can use olive oil if you want, or vegetable oil, or, lard. I've done them in lard. So, whatever cranks your trigger there. So, alright, there's our next piece. That flour up on there. See, our butter's getting good and bubbly, so she's just about ready. One more piece to coat here. And you can use any kind of fish you want, but I just happened to pick up some sahi. So, alright, there's that. Get rid of that coating. Wash my hands. Looks like our butter's just about ready. Get rid of that fork and this other plate. Get that extra mess off the stove. Bring our fish over here so we can get it on to cook. So. Alright, I think our, we gotta let her warm up a little bit more. So, I'll let this warm up a little bit more, and then we'll bring you guys back. Alright, y'all, that butter should be good and hot by now. So, oh yeah, I can hear her sizzling in there. I'm just gonna do 2 pieces at a time. She's starting to bubble around them edges. And we'll cook it for just a couple minutes on each side here, and then flip it over, cook it for another couple minutes, and when she's just flaky, she's done. So let's get that cooking. Alright, y'all. I think these are ready to flip over, so get underneath there. Oh yeah, they're not really brown yet, but oh yeah, there we go. So, alright, now we'll let her cook for a couple minutes on this side here too. We'll check her, see if she's starting to flake. We'll just keep flipping it back and forth until it's as brown as we like and starts getting flaky, so we'll bring you guys back. Alright, y'all, I threw those other 2 in there to get them start to cook, and we're checking this here, and those are starting to be really nice and flaky. Check the thickest part there. So, oh yeah, so those 2 are done. Get them pulled out. I'm going to go ahead and flip these 2 over. Oh yeah. Oh, maybe. There we go. And I like using the butter too because it kind of browns the fish, but I like the flavor of it too. So, alright, I'm going to finish cooking these 2 up, and we'll do our little taste test. Alright, y'all, time for my favorite part of the video, the taste test. Come on. That's delicious, y'all. I mean, I like sahi. I love the frying them in butter because it just gives it that nice buttery flavor. That Old Bay seasoning or seafood seasoning gives it just a little bit of a bite, but everything about it's delicious. So, hope y'all enjoyed it. If you would, please hit that thumbs up button. Leave a comment down there. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, ring the bell, get the notification of everything we do here in the kitchen, out in the garage, or wherever we happen to be at the time to shoot some videos. So, appreciate y'all, love y'all, and as always, bon appetit.